Charles Schwab Mobile App Review. The Charles Schwab Mobile App offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to both casual investors and active traders. Users appreciate its robust functionality, reliability, and the convenience of managing investments on the go. The app provides access to a wide range of tools, including customizable tables with over 50 data points, real-time market data, and integrated research materials. Recent updates have focused on enhancing user experience by fixing bugs and introducing new features, such as customizable views and improved navigation. However, some users have noted areas for improvement. For instance, the app's user interface has been described as dated, with a preference expressed for a more modern, dark-themed design. Additionally, there have been reports of challenges in aggregating performance data across multiple accounts, making it difficult for users to view their total portfolio performance in a consolidated manner. Despite these critiques, the app maintains a high rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars on the App Store, based on over 1 million reviews, indicating a strong overall user satisfaction. The app is praised for its intuitive design, responsiveness, and the depth of information it provides, including live video feeds and comprehensive research materials. When it comes to pros, it has comprehensive investment tools. The app offers real-time market data, research materials, and customizable tables with over 50 data points, making it ideal for active investors. A high user satisfaction with a 4.85 rating on the App Store and over 1 million reviews, users generally find the app reliable and feature-rich. And a seamless account management which users can easily trade stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds while also managing banking features like mobile check deposits. But for the cons, it has a dated user interface which some users feel the design is outdated and would prefer a more modern look with a dark mode option. Also a performance data aggregation issues which the app struggles with consolidating performance data across multiple accounts, making portfolio tracking less convenient. And are occasional technical issues which some users report login difficulties, slow load times, and occasional glitches, especially after updates. In summary, the Charles Schwab mobile app is a powerful tool for investors, offering a range of features that cater to various investment styles. While there is room for improvement in certain areas, the app's strengths make it a valuable resource for managing investments efficiently. And it also have a key features which is real-time market data and research, customizable trading experience, lastly is seamless account and banking integration. So, I think that is enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe, also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.